Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, Python Tutorial, Counting Array Size. Introduction. In Python, determining the size of an array is a common task, and it can be accomplished using various methods. In this tutorial, we'll explore different approaches to count the size of an array in Python with code examples. Using the len function. The simplest and most common way to find the size of an array in Python is by using the built-in len function. Using the array module. If you are working with arrays created using the array module, you can use the array.buffer_info method. Using numpy. If you're dealing with numpy arrays, you can use the numpy.size function. Using sys.getsizeof. The sys module provides a getsizeof function that returns the size of an object in bytes. Conclusion. Now you have learned various methods to count the size of arrays in Python. Choose the method that best suits your needs based on the type of array you are working with and the specific requirements of your program. Each method has its advantages, so understanding them will empower you to make informed decisions in your Python projects. ChatGPT.